The shaft lock is used to lock the armature shaft so it can't rotate while changing the saw blade. The shaft lock fits around 2 flats on the armature shaft to securely hold it in place. The shaft lock can be bent and damaged if too much force is applied while tightening the arbor bolt. It can also be damaged if the tension spring fails, allowing the shaft lock to contact a spinning armature shaft. Replacing the shaft lock is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front half of the handle assembly. Next, I'll remove the motor brushes. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the motor housing. And now I can remove the armature. Now I can install the new shaft lock. I want to make sure that the bent portion of the shaft lock is pointing towards the upper guard. I'll place the armature onto the shaft lock and then place this assembly back into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the motor housing. I slide it over the armature and align it with the upper guard. I'll secure it with the screws. Now reinstall the compression spring for the shaft lock. I place it over the end of the shaft and then into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the handle housing. Snap it into place and I'll secure it with the screws. And now I'll reinstall the switch button. And that's how you can replace the shaft lock on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.